Hey there, David Weber here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get 4 to 5 new ceramic coating clients each week in your city. We've done some analysis for you to see how by using the perfect ceramic coating ads, you get the best leads at the lowest possible cost. We're going to be using a multi-platform approach here: Facebook, Instagram, Google. We're going to be leveraging it all to show you how much money is out there for your business. So again, we're going to be covering how to get 4 to 5 new ceramic coating clients each and every week, some must-do things your competitors are doing that you can do as well, how to get 2 times more leads just by making a few simple changes in your business, and how to guarantee you get the highest quality of leads each and every time. It's not about the volume, it's about the quality of leads and the people that have very high intent and ready to buy your services today. How you can have this launch for yourself and your business in the next week or 2 without any risk to you. Okay, so let me show you the opportunity here, and we're going to be using a tool called kwfinder.com that shows us how many people are searching for a couple of different keywords: auto detailing, or ceramic coating, or car detailing in your city every single month. And keep in mind, these are underestimated numbers. There's actually a lot more people searching. According to kwfinder.com, there's people searching for, this is a main keyword, 20 a month, and keep in mind that under this keyword there's hundreds and thousands of keywords like this, so all these numbers would add up to thousands of searches in your city each and every month. So these are all potential buyers, and every single month they're searching for these key terms. Okay, so let's just be really conservative here. Let's just say that there's 1,000 people searching for auto detailing or ceramic coating near you, and with what I'm about to show you, if you can get 10% of that 1,000 people to fill out a form to call you up and want to do business with you right now today, out of those 100 leads, that would equate to those 100 leads, we know on average that we can close 20%, right? So this also depends on your sales process on the back end of your phone, but don't worry, we have a little bonus for you for that as well. So typically our clients are closing about 40% because of this extra little step that we help you guys out on the back end. But anyway, let's just assume that it's 20%. That would equate to 20 new ceramic coating clients each and every month. So if the value of a ceramic coating client is approximately $800, that would equate to $16,000 of value for you and your business every single month. So that begs the question, what are top businesses doing every month that you're currently not doing? Okay, if you look at the data here, this is another tool we use, by the way, spyfood.com. These companies are spending thousands of dollars, and this is also an underestimation from about 30 to 50%. So this keyword here, they might be spending $1,000 to $2,000, and then let's go to the next keyword, car detailing. Some big boys are spending 20 to 30 grand here, and then they have some little guys spending a couple of grand as well, and then this list actually goes a lot deeper than this. These companies are spending so much money. What is it they have that you currently don't? Well, they have the ceramic coating client generating machine. They have a system that generates these leads, which is why they're able to spend thousands of dollars each and every month, because they turn 1 grand into 10 grand, and 2 grand into 20 grand, and 3 grand into 30 grand, and so on. But it's actually 2 simple things. It's not very complicated. It's 2 simple things that they figured out that you haven't yet until today. Number 1, they generate high intent ceramic coating leads, and don't worry, I'm going to walk you through that. So number 2 is they scale highly relevant ads. Okay, so for the first one, high intent ceramic coating leads, they're not targeting what most people are targeting. Remember that keyword list I showed you earlier with auto detailing, but that keyword doesn't generate into leads most of the time. Just like when someone's searching for bicycle, search for bicycle could mean actually anything. It's the long tail keywords like this one below, black 10-speed beach cruiser, for example, that makes them very interested, and the probability that keyword turns it into more likely a sale. So what if they were searching for best ceramic coating installer near me? Now we're talking. Those are going to be the ones that are turning into sales. Most people, or most advertisers, they don't do this. They just run very simple keywords because it takes a lot of work to run ads that target long tail keywords. There are hundreds and thousands of keywords, and setting up an ad for each keyword takes about 5 or 10 minutes. So if you have hundreds of keywords, it's going to take you many hours or even days, and frankly, most people aren't willing to do that, and neither am I. But if you could do that, you get more relevant clicks to your ads, and those clicks will turn into way better quality leads. So this is an example of a common practice. They have one ad targeting a lot of different keywords. This ad group here, and then this would be all their keywords depicted underneath it. So 99% of the advertisers group their keywords, get more relevant clicks, more fraudulent clicks, and have a lower quality score from Google. So what we do instead is we have one ad per keyword, and we create this by using our proprietary one-to-one technology software called the one-to-one method, and we actually spent over $20,000 developing this technology, and this is something we'll make available for your campaign as well, so don't worry. This is an example of an ad that we ran. We spent $44,000 on, and we have over 8,000 different ads in this campaign. And then we also do the same thing on Facebook, Instagram, and we run a lot of different ads and tests, see which ones work the best, which ones convert the best, and once we get these clicks, we can target them for the cheapest possible cost. And then finally, we get them to the most appropriate landing page. So here's an example of a landing page that most people send their traffic to. It's, you guessed it, it's their website. So let's go to this one here. And when they send their traffic to this website, they don't convert as well because there's too much distraction. There's so many other places for them to click on. And they may have before and after pictures, which are great and everything, but they don't convert. They don't always convert as well. So like I said, there's other options for people to click on. They get distracted. There's no real call to action, and it may not be optimized for mobile traffic when we know all traffic that's coming through is 70% on mobile. So what we do instead is we create a landing page similar to this one. It's optimized for mobile traffic in Google. There's a strong call to action at the top, so the clicks are highly relevant, and people go to the landing page like this. They know exactly where to get this offer. They know what to fill out. There's no other distractions. There's only calls to action. The only thing they can do is make a phone call or fill out a form. And we talk about the solutions of our product and how it can better their lives, and we create trust. Why they should choose us, a very easy process of what we do for the ceramic coating, our products we use, why they should choose us, our gallery of all of our work, how they can contact us again, another button that goes straight to the top if you click it, our reviews, and another form to fill out. So again, you click the button, it goes back to the top, and the only thing they can do is call, like I said, or fill out the form. And all of this builds trust and credibility. And we find leads converting way better. And when you have leads converting a lot better, you're able to get to the top 1% performance in the marketplace. So listen, all this may have you feeling a little overwhelmed, like, whoa, what the heck is going on here? And you may need to watch this video again. However, what we've done is made this a lot simpler for you. We've created something called the ceramic coating client system, where we take all the grunt work away from you. We take all the worry away. We take care of all the Google and Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and all you do is get new clients. It's the only thing that you need to worry about. All you do is just answer the phone calls. That's all you need to worry about. At the end of the day, it's all that really matters. You shouldn't be worrying about all the different traffic sources, because we do it all for you. We take care of all the Facebook, Instagram, and Google ads. So here's what you get. You get at least 20 guaranteed leads every single month. We can start with 100, of course. There's a different price point for that, but that's something we can discuss over the phone. So we'll set up a proven landing page like you've seen earlier, perfect ads, set up hundreds of ads on Google, Facebook, and Instagram, and then we have special software like we showed earlier that does it all for you. Our technology is designed to convert these clicks into clients. Then we provide staff training for you. We'll go and show your team exactly how to answer these phone calls and how to take care and nurture the leads and how to manage the lead tracking system. So all you do is see how many leads is coming in, and we monitor all the campaigns for you. We take care of all the optimization. We take care of everything for you. So at the end of the day, once again, all that matters is you seeing how many new clients that you're getting. Okay, so here's the deal. We're so confident that we'll get willing to give you up to 100 leads guaranteed. And listen, I want you to think about that for a minute. If you have a closing rate of 20 to 25%, what would that mean for you? What would that mean for your business next month? Maybe it would change your life. Maybe you can hire new employees and change their life. How would it change the overall health of your business? Because at the end of the day, that's what we care about. We want to make sure that you have a healthy business, and so we can have a healthy business as well. So if this is something you're interested in, we're searching for one exclusive partner in your area, and we're looking specifically for someone that can handle 20 new clients a month. And if you can't handle 20 new clients, you may not qualify. Feel free to still reach out to me. Our team, just to recap, our team does all the work for you. We leverage our technology and bring the one thing that matters to you the most: more customers, and equals more profits for you. So we have a no lead money back guarantee. Plus, we offer a free veteran ceramic coating day since I'm a veteran. And we may limit this to 2, but here's what happens. You get to pick out 2 veterans in your local area, ceramic coat their vehicles, and we pay all for that. So listen, we offer this because we're so confident that it's going to work for you. So text me at the number below or send me an email. We'll schedule a phone call, and I'd love to start sending you another 20 to 100 leads in the next upcoming month, and we can start talking about getting the system set up for you. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll talk to you soon.